Welcome to the Media channel. This is a breaking news from Lagos, Nigeria. 8 thieves flying in from Port Harcourt just landed in Lagos. Luckily and thankfully, no one was hurt. Passengers have been transferred to a standby bus and be taken to the terminal. This is within the local terminal at the MMM1. As you guys will know, Airpeace has started a Dubai route from Nigeria. Airpeace at the moment is the biggest airline in Nigeria. Normally, they have brand new aircraft, and they have excellent safety records. So, there is no need to panic, we believe, because Airpeace does not play with safety records, and the safety of their aircraft they do not use old and outdated aircraft. They use brand new aircraft. No one is sure, so we'll be waiting on FAN to issue statement as to what caused the crash landing. But from the video and the picture you can see clearly there is a clear indication that the front tires, that the gear, that's the landing gear, is broken. Now you can hear from the passengers from the video where the passengers were of praises to the female pilots that landed the aircraft. They are praising the pilots for saving their lives, and they said that the lady pilot was calm, coordinated all the time of the turbulence, and she spoke to them, telling them to be calm and not to panic. So many of them basically are saying that the pilots have done an exceptional job. If Nigeria were to be a nation where things work right, maybe that pilot should have been, should be given an award for doing a marvelous job and landing that aircraft in the midst of the confusion. Okay, so the aircraft, you can see from the ground, there is some marks that is from the landing gear and the tire. Everything is damaged. Now that aircraft will be towed out of the runway. Okay, so the aircraft will be towed out of the runway, and we are bringing you this news direct from Lagos. This is once more Njenje Media TV. You keep staying tuned. We will try as much as possible to find more information from FAN, Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria, and as we do that, we will be updating everybody what is happening regarding this.
This is not an active runway.